There's no doubt roses are the queen of flowers, and Adelaide would have to be one of the very best places in the world to show off these beauties. Whether they are colouring up our streetscapes, parks or home gardens, they are a blooming treat to treasure. Merv, how long have you been growing roses?
Kym, I've been growing roses for 30 years.
And what's so passionate about roses for you?
Roses for me give me the colour, the fragrance, they're easy to grow, and it's the queen of all flowers. I think we have roughly 300 roses. I and my wife Wendy show roses, so we have roses of all different kinds.
You're a member of the South Australian Rose Society. Tell us a bit about the background and the history of the society.
The South Australian Rose Society has been in existence for over 100 years. It's a group of roughly 1,000 members who are interested in rose growing, rose showing and promoting the rose to the public. Of course, people can find out about the Rose Society by coming along to our meetings, coming to the rose show. We have a rose show in autumn and in spring, and they can also find us on the web.
And some tips on growing roses, Merv.
I think the number one tip is water. The number two tip is fertiliser. We use sudden impact for roses. Some of the members of the Rose Society did a trial of the fertiliser when it was unnamed for Neutrog, and we found outstanding results by using sudden impact for roses, and we're able to endorse sudden impact for roses.
Barrett roses are coming into stores now. Your tips for planting a Barrett rose?
My tips for planting a Barrett rose are take the rose out of the packet, soak it in a bucket of water, maybe add a little bit of go-go juice at the same time, soak it for 24 hours, that is fantastic. Add some seamungus in the bottom of the hole and plant the rose. And one of the more important things is that you need to cut the green stems of the rose back to a strong eye. Once you've planted, you water them in with a mixture of go-go juice before it gets warm in spring. Then you need to add mulch. And the mulch that I would recommend is again a product from Neutrog, a new mulch, and it's called Whoflungdung, a great product.
Merv, you and Wendy do such a fantastic job in this garden. Thanks for sharing it with us today.
Kym, it's been a pleasure to have you here. I think if everyone has a chance to smell a rose every day, the world would be a better place.
Long live the rose.
Indeed.